Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the Maths portion.
Welcome to the lecture series, and today we will be covering a very important topic from the A-level physics portion, and we are starting with the first chapter, that is measurements. Now without wasting any time, we will look at the SI units. And the first question, if you are aware of the first question of AS paper 1 or paper 11, 12, 13 is about two things, right? First is the definitions, and the second is conversion of units into SI units. Okay, so SI units, what are these? First one, length. For length there is like meter, and meter the short form is m, right? Then mass, we have kg, kilogram. For time, seconds. For amount of substance, we have mole, the short form is mole, right? This is really important for the MCQs part, not for this part. Paper not for paper 2. Sorry, this is paper 22. Okay, then we have temperature, that is Kelvin, K, not Celsius. Then we have current, ampere, capital A. And then we have luminous intensity, that is candela, and CD, the abbreviation. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.